Well, we came to Lurie Children's several years ago after working with other teams, and we made the decision to come to Lurie's for our treatment for Matthew. He was diagnosed with a complex heart defect at birth, tetralogy of Fallot, and then eventually needed a pacemaker. And we've worked with the doctors here, Dr. Deal, Dr. Webster, and Dr. Tsao.
I really like Dr. Webster, which worked with me with my last heart surgery, and he's also starting a group called the CCC, which is benefiting Lurie Children's Hospital with people with conditions similar to me or like me.
What does CCC stand for?
Cardiac Care Connections.
Chicagoland Cardiac Care. Chicago Cardiac Connections.
Yes.
And Dr. Webster actually invited Matthew a year and a half ago to be part of the steering committee for the Chicagoland Cardiac Connections. And so Matthew's part of the steering committee here for that organization, providing support for other families with pacemakers or other cardiac devices. And what are you in charge of on the steering committee?
I'm in charge of dealing with all the toys. We're getting Duncan yo-yos to donate yo-yos for the children to play with to keep for free and to be back to the homes and play with them.
We've been really fortunate for the Division of Cardiology here at Lurie's. One of the things that Matthew does a lot is he's an aspiring musician. And he has connected, the Chicago-based community has embraced him. And part of the base is keeping the rhythm in the band. And Lurie Children's Hospital keeps the rhythm in his heart. Matthew doesn't have a natural heart rhythm. And through the supports here and the surgeries and pacemakers and doctors, he's able to have a solid heart rhythm. And we really appreciate all that Lurie's does for him. So they take care of him so Matthew can share his heart rhythm with the rest of the world. And one of the things that, and I've said this to Dr. Webster, I'm not glad that I have to know him, but I am glad that I do know him. And I am glad that we have Lurie's here, because without them, we wouldn't have what we have here. And if you need a place like this is the place to go.
Absolutely.
And again, no one wishes to be here, but we're very glad that Lurie's does exist.
Yeah, I just like to thank this hospital for helping me with my heart defect and many other children like me, saving their lives. And